This tutorial will introduce the Spots Close to Surface extension. We will illustrate the concept of this extension by using a 3D single time point dataset. To run this extension, you should first create at least one spots and one surface object. We will start this tutorial at the point where one spots and one surface object are already created. Out of all previously created spots objects, this extension finds the subset of spots that is closer to the selected surface than the user's specified threshold. The Spots Close to Surface extension is available under the Tool tab both for spots and surface objects. Click on the Spots Close to Surface button to start this extension. In the MATLAB window, enter an appropriate value for the threshold. In this example, we will enter 0.5. Confirm it with the OK button. The distance is calculated between each spot object center and the nearest point of the surface. As a result of this calculation, two differently colored groups of spots objects are displayed in the viewing area. The set of spots which are located inside the threshold-defined region are shown in magenta. The other group of spots, whose shortest distance to the surface exceeds the specified threshold, are shown in turquoise. In the surpass tree, two new spots objects are created. The names of the newly created spots objects are automatically generated. The name indicates the spots object number, the proximity to the surface object, and the threshold value. If either multiple spots objects or multiple surfaces are created, this extension produces a result for each selected pair of spots and surface objects. In this example, two spots objects and three surface objects are created. As in the previous example, this extension can be found under the Tool tab of any created surface or spots objects. Start the Spots Close to Surface extension by clicking on it. In the sequence of MATLAB windows, you can specify which spots and surface objects to use in the calculation. To quickly select all objects from the list, simply press the Select All button. Then enter the threshold value and confirm it. For every surface object and every spots object, two subsets of spots are created according to their proximity. In the surpass tree, the number of newly created objects is double the number of selected spots objects multiplied by the number of selected surfaces. In this example, there are 12 newly created spots objects. To display the preferred combination of objects, select or deselect the checkbox next to the object's name. If you have questions about any features found in Imaris, please contact our sales or support team. Thank you for watching this video.